You better be calling your hits.
Really?
Yeah, they're not calling shit. Hey, y'all just want to suicide bomb them? If they're gonna call it, I'm gonna light them up. I'm just gonna light these fuckers up. They're not calling their hits.
I want a fucking grenade right now. He's got somebody coming off our left.
Woo, it's hitting ass. Yeah. You too? I just got hit in the ass. Hey!
You guys, I'm watching you guys. I'm watching you guys. Nothing's in there. Not reaching, bud. I swear. Nothing's in there.
You get hit, make sure you're calling that shit.
Hey, they're with me. They're with me.
Yeah, we're all on the same squad, bro.
I got it. I went in there and
Hell, I shot them all like 20 times a piece and none of them called it.
Okay, good, because we got people on this side now.
All right, let's go. We're going this way.
All right, yeah, I was like,
If I have to unload a clip on you before you call it, I will.
I did.
I know, I shot the guys. All three of them. I probably shot each one of them in the face 10 times.
I know, dude. They're like, oh, it didn't hit my skin, so I'm not out, right?
Yeah, because a real bullet, that'd be the case too. I got hit in the ass right here, so somebody's probably on that bunker. Look, I'm a suicide bombing kind of guy.
During bitch games, I just run around.
Yeah, you know.
Usually I don't even have a primary, I just have a knife. You know?
You stand here and do jumbo jacks, get my cardio.
Let's go!
I got your 6. I got movement. Woo, hit! I'm already on your squad, don't worry about it. Fuck it. Full auto. He's hit, he's hit. You with us? All right. Damn, I sat on a thorn. Shit.
I got range, bro.
All right. Glad I'm on your squad.
are y'all in or what?
Same, we're same. Same.
Let's move into the forest.
Let's go. All right, let me, Ooh, I got hit in the ass. Let's go, rally up. You got somebody over there, or you just sighting? Brendan, ride my 6, okay? Hey. Action shot. I got a good action shot of you doing that. Dead man walking.
Are you dead?
Dead man running.
No.
Wait, hold on.